How sure can you be of something, and how do you express that level of certainty in English without using too many words or complicated sentences? Have a look at this car. What do you think? Is it expensive? Well, if I put a price tag right next to it, then you know for sure. That car is expensive. That car is expensive is an affirmative statement. We use that construction when we are 100% certain of something. But what happens if I remove that price tag and you don't know the exact price? Well, you know that brand is usually expensive, so most probably the car is. You can say then, that car must be expensive. We can use the auxiliary verb must to express that there is a high level of certainty. We believe this to be true, but we don't know for sure. For example, if I look at this man, I could say, he must be very strong. He must work out a lot. So when I use this auxiliary verb, must, I am almost certain something is true. Let's say 80 to 90% certain. Now look at this car. You don't know the exact brand or the exact model, but it is a modern and apparently high-tech vehicle. You can say that car should be expensive. You can use the auxiliary verb should to express that the information and experience you have on the topic make you think this is true. Let's say you'll use this auxiliary verb when you're around 70% sure about your statement. The exam should be difficult. Many students failed last semester. Now look at this car. It is a relatively expensive brand. The car is in excellent condition, but this model is old. So it is difficult to know for sure if the price is actually high. You can say, that car might be expensive. We will use the auxiliary might to express there is a possibility this is true. According to what you know, it is possible that that car is expensive. This construction is also commonly used to express possibility in the future. For example, it might rain tomorrow, which means there is a possibility of rain tomorrow. It is also used to express plans that are not totally confirmed yet. I might go to Italy next month, but I haven't made any reservations yet. Let's assign, and this is just to give you an idea, of course, 40 to 50% certainty to statements using this auxiliary verb. Now look at this car. It is old. It is not an expensive model. We know that, but there is a small possibility this is a collectible unit, special for some reason, but an elevated price? Not likely. You can say, that car shouldn't be expensive. See? Another example. This course shouldn't be difficult. We already know a lot about the topic. The possibility that this is true is very low. Now look at this picture. This car is a classic, but its original price wasn't high and it's not in the best condition. You don't believe it is going to be expensive at all. You can say, that car can't be expensive. We use this auxiliary verb can in the negative form can't to express that you don't believe something is possible. Remember though that this auxiliary verb is also used to express ability or capacity. She can't speak Spanish means she doesn't have the ability to do so, but it can also mean that you don't believe it is possible. Listen, she can't speak Spanish. We were classmates at school and she never cared about learning a second language. Evidently, intonation will be very important to convey the right meaning. She can't speak Spanish. So use this auxiliary verb in negative form to express you don't believe something is possible. But remember, if you know something is not true, you simply make a negative statement. That car is not expensive. See? Keep these auxiliary verbs handy to express different levels of certainty. These are common constructions and you will use and hear them very often. Now, a little summary. That car is expensive. That car must be expensive. That car should be expensive. That car might be expensive. That car shouldn't be expensive. That car can't be expensive. That car is not expensive. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you soon.